I'm getting straight to the point on this one. This is my first time ever doing an actual giveaway where I'm just giving something away completely free. And it's gonna be this guy right here, brand new spoiler from Yofer. What's up, Pops? Hey, boy. Well, you can't just interrupt like that. I'm doing a video. I'm pretty sure you heard me up in there. What are you doing? Well, I'm doing a giveaway. It's the Yofer body kit spoiler. It's brand new for the Tesla Model Y Juniper. About time, boy. Shoot, been waiting for you to get that room empty. All kind of stuff up in there, all your Tesla stuff. Well, there would be more space in there if you hadn't moved in. Hey, man, I raised you, boy. I get a discount. Now it's time to jam. I don't care, boy. I don't care, boy. Jam on, boy. That's what all these boxes is for. All this stuff you got over here. This one look kind of cool. What you got here? Yeah, that stuff is for the next video I got coming up. But it's about time to get rid of all the Tesla stuff. Get your real truck. Yeah, I know you're happy about that. We go back to the diesels and the LS swaps. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting back up to that soon. Probably next few months. Get back into that kind of stuff. I gotta go through all the rest of this Tesla stuff first. Good, about time. Shoot. You let me know when it's time for that. I'll see you then. All right, let me try this again. I'm gonna be giving away this spoiler from the Yofer body kit. Now, this was sent to me, the whole entire body kit was sent to me from Yofer Design themselves. So it came straight from China. So before it was available online for America, you had to get it straight from the source from China. And I think I was one of the first person, if not one of, I was the first person to get it in the US and make a video and put it online. Now, if you see my last video, I showed what it's like with the install. I mocked this thing on there. I didn't leave it on there by choice, on purpose. And I know there's been quite a few people that bought the body kit as well. And I know there's plenty of other people that would have loved to buy the body kit, but probably couldn't afford it. If you don't want to buy it from Yofer Design themselves, you can also get it from EV Base. But rest assured, it's the same exact body kit. They probably got some kind of contract, but EV Base is a good source to be able to get these things, but a lot of people don't got the money to get something like this. And I think the spoiler is probably one of the most popular pieces, because some people don't want to commit to a whole body kit, so they might buy just one piece, and some people, if they're gonna buy one piece, the one piece they would get this spoiler right here. Now, for those of you who don't know, it comes in 3 pieces. You got the center piece right here, you got the end piece right here, and then the other end piece right here. And it all screws together right here under this little plate right here. Pops up, there's a couple of golden screws that connects it all together. So this isn't like some little flimsy thing that's nice and sturdy. Now, unless you're gonna be doing some hardcore crazy racing, the way that you mount this is sufficient enough for you to be able to keep it. Just make sure you have the surface clean and make sure you have it lined up properly. Make sure there's no light holes or light gaps or anything like that. So when it installs securely, and also let it sit in some heat a little bit. That heat helps with the adhesiveness of it. Only don't install it on a windy, blustery day. Other than that, I'm gonna be giving this away completely free. I'm gonna run this giveaway for about 30 to 60 days. Y'all let me know in the comment section how long y'all think I should have it up there for. And it's gonna be completely free. You don't have to do any shipping, anything. I'm gonna pay for it and it's gonna go sent straight to the winner. Now, there's a couple of stipulations in order to be able to qualify to win this. 1, you gotta be a subscriber. 2, you gotta leave a comment in the comment section telling me why I should pick you. And you don't have to give me your whole life story. I don't need all that. Just leave a comment down below telling me to pick you or why I should pick you. Basically convince me to pick your comment. Then I'll message that person. You email me, I'll get your address and send it straight to you, completely free of charge. I got a bunch of accessories that I have and I got nothing to do with them. So I'm gonna start giving giveaways a lot more in the future. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of the future giveaways, just in case you don't win this one. This one's glossy black. I know you can get it in matte. And the cool thing about it, if you want to, you could wrap it. Wrap this whole thing. It's 3 pieces, so that means you could take it apart and then wrap it. Do whatever you want with it. It's completely free. Hell, you could even sell it if you want to. It doesn't matter to me. I mean, it'll be yours anyway. Just make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. And also, if you appreciate the opportunity to get something free, completely free from YouTube for your brand new Tesla, make sure you like this video as well. I still got all the original wrapping and everything, the packaging. I'm gonna send it straight to your house, all right? Peace. And if you do want to buy the entire body kit, say if you want the front splitter, the rear diffuser, and the 2 side skirts like I have on my car, you can go to EV Base or Yofer Design. If you go with EV Base, make sure you use my discount code COOLWHIPS to get yourself a little discount and get that sent to you real quick, no problem.